connecting to cloud server. Wonderful. Great, right? So we'll now start. Share my screen as well. This is for the new project what we'll be making for the Pazhani Vazhinadai. That is the pilgrimage, right? People who are going by foot, the pilgrimage to the Pazhani temple, the members whomever they're walking and the contribution whatever they're making for the expenses, we're going to prepare an application, right? So for which I can share this desktop. Right. Yeah, we'll see that. Okay, so this is the template we have. It's in Word doc. There is a template. So we have a serial number. We'll first talk about data model, right? But the very first thing, any application that we do, this is a report. We don't need all. This is where it starts. Data registration number for each member. It's a participant number. Name, their name, and the photograph. It's a template in Word doc. That's where whenever people give the details, they are being stored. The organization on over WhatsApp, they get the details and they store it, right? And the camera is here, but yes, that's okay. Okay, so name. This is the data model. What do we need on the data? What attributes that we capture, right? So obviously, it's a name, father or husband name, if it is, gender. It's all in Tamil, but I'm explaining to you, right? Gender, age, native place, blood group, mobile number, email address. I can even type it here, right? Just in case. Name. Okay. Where we have here? Photo. Correct? Here. Father. Husband. Right? Gender. Age. Native place. Blood group. Okay. Mobile number. Mobile numbers. In case they use multiple, obviously there is a possibility people carry more than one mobile, right? So yeah, then email address and the Aadhaar card. Mostly people have it, right? Aadhaar card. Address or communication. All right. Here, emergency contact details. Just in case if any medical support needed, we don't know. What do we need? Name, patient, mobile contact number. There could be multiple, we never know. Landline number, mobile, or more than one mobile number. We don't know, right? There could be multiple people as more than one person can be shared as an emergency contact number, right? Probably if they are married, they give their spouse details and also parent details, etc. Right? This is starting place. There are so many nodal points, right? Which point they start, and the token is luggage token. Both are same. Their serial number and luggage token number will be the same. That's matching with their name, right? Right. This is the registration number. All right. This payment details. We can capture it also. How do they make what payment, etc. Correct. This is what maximum is going to be your data model. When I say data model, the attributes what is required to for this application, what you want to do, right? So we'll have to design the data structure, database first. How are we going to accommodate the details? I'm going to make it in RDBMS, not in NoSQL. RDBMS is interesting, useful, right? We are all used to that. And before we get into the data model, etc., I'll also type probably the steps involved, right? Whatever we want to do. I will do Pazhani Vazhinadai application. Simply as an example, right? And also save it here. There's a folder. Right? We say app, right? And we say whatever our plan. First thing first, what do you make? First thing first. What is our objective? To make the web application, right? Yes. To manage the details of the members who are participating in the pilgrimage. Means walking by foot to Pazhani, right? Padayatra we say. In Tamil. What is that history? Occurred in the year 2020 or 2021. And this is the fourth year in the book. All right. Is it clear? Objective. Yes, clear. The application can be made either in the web version, desktop, with the responsive web design, or SPA. What is SPA? Money? Yes. Using Angular or just a plan we'll have it. Okay? Yes. So what is the tech stack that we can make, or step one, etc.? Obviously, 17. We can use just a, okay, I can even tell that one. This is immediate, right? Tech stack. What we can do now here, MySQL, JDBC, HTML, use Java EE. In which what are we gonna use? JDBC anyway is using it, right? MySQL is using it. And HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. And what we can do? This may not be Java 17. We can go with the Java 8 or 11. Anything is fine, doesn't matter. Bring ecosystem. What do you want to use? Bring code, bring MVC, bring data JPA, bring boot, right? What else? Either Spring JDBC. If we use Spring Data JPA, we don't need Spring JDBC. MySQL database, right? Then here again we can use JSP itself or Timely. Any UI can be done. If you want, you can make Spring Data REST, RESTful services. All right? Yes. Use Eclipse. Obviously, here we use Tomcat. Here also we can use Eclipse. All right? But what is the step-by-step plan we make? First thing first. Because the data is containing in both Tamil and English, right?
Yes.
POC. What is the POC? Is equal JDBC program to handle the what? Content of data into English and that's a proof of concept. We just need to keep it handy, correct?
Yes.
What we can do? POC can be performed for an entire thread. Or simple. We don't need to make entire correct. Then it will be a full-fledged application. That's okay. Clear?
Yes.
That's a POC. Then what do we do? Data model. What is the data model? SQL DDL. Sample data. DML. Okay. Then actual data readiness, including the images. Okay. All right.
Yes.
Then what else we have? Actual code. Okay. Finally, we need to host it. But for hosting, okay, futuristic here, what we can do, use MySQL, right? For local development. What we can also do, Firebase for hosting. Yes, but I don't know from JSP Servlet, Firebase, no. Firebase basically goes with this thing, let's see. Firebase basically goes with SPA. It's because it's mostly NoSQL. I don't know. Sorry. It supports RDBMS, but let's see. Okay, that's fine. So hosting we'll see, but for hosting, maybe we'll have to host it somewhere, right?
Yes.
If not, if possible. Else, but somewhere we need to host, right? At least the application code should be hosted that I can probably do it in my own GoDaddy. I don't know. Or we need to make an app. That's very handy. Got it? So this is what going to be a plan of action. Okay. Any questions?
For testing, what is
Testing, manual testing, yes. No, that's a good question. We don't need to spend time in automation testing. Okay?
Okay.
Maybe futuristic, what we can do. Okay. Maybe Selenium or Cypress. Any tools, right? We can definitely use unit testing for JUnit. That is nothing to stop us. If at all,
Right.
unit testing for JUnit we can try. That doesn't do any harm, right? And obviously we can add Marketo as well. Whatever you want to use. Test contains anything you can add it. Maybe you can make it Dockerized. All that we can do it, right? Okay, any questions? Any other questions? You have gone through the Word doc, right? The data model, I've explained through a template, it is also clear.
Yes.
Right? Let's
Right.
cut it off, then start the next video, next recording for the next session. Otherwise, it will be too long. Make sense?
Yes.
Perfect. Any questions?
No more question.
No more questions, sir. Wonderful. Thanks. So what we can do, okay, now. Oh, yeah. So I'm gonna.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
Om Sharavana Bhava.